Hey everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to replace your piston support set. Tools you will need: a number 5 Allen key plus torque set, a number 13 socket wrench or an adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver. Let's get started. Step 1. With the cage attached. Begin by rotating the cage. Ensure that the motor side is positioned at the bottom, while the pump faces upward. Without the cage attached, position the unit so that it stands upright on its motor side, with the pump facing upward. Step 2. Utilize a flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the micro switch pin. This action will release it from the brass pump. Step 3. Utilize a number 5 Allen key to carefully remove the first layer of screws. Doing so will allow you to detach the brass pump and the middle pump body. Step 4. Carefully remove the next layer of screws. This action will allow you to release either the plunger seat set or the piston seat. Step 5. Inspect all gaskets and O-ring seals from the following: plunger seat set, middle body pump, front pump. Inspect each of these components carefully to ensure that the gaskets and O-ring seals are in good condition. Step 6. Reinstall the new piston support set. Make sure it is facing the proper orientation. Use a number 5 Allen key and a torque set to tighten the screws in a cross pattern. Ensuring proper torque is crucial to ensure that the piston seat effectively seals the motor, preventing any oil leakage. Step 7. Align the middle pump and front pump in their designated positions. Make sure it is in the proper orientation. Use a number 5 Allen key and a torque set to tighten the screws in a cross pattern. Ensuring proper torque is crucial to ensure that the pump set effectively seals the plunger seat, preventing any water leakage. Step 8. Carefully place the micro switch back into its designated position. Ensure that the pin locks securely to prevent any unintended movement. You have successfully installed a new piston support set on your Active 2.3. If you need further assistance with Active 2.3, please don't hesitate to write to us at support@activeproducts.com, and we would love to help you.